Okay folks, this is a kind of like part 2 to my previous video. Now, I was in macro mode all the time, but I'm maybe going to just have to try and pick up the camera and show you the state of some of the components and some of the circuitry by just moving the camera around rather than just trying to leaving it in position and staying focused. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty. These two capacitors at the back here are looking very corroded. I think they've both burst. So this is going to be the next cleanup area in here. I've got to try and get these off without damaging this, because that's for the keyboard. Yeah, the ribbon strip for the keyboard fits in here. Now I think I should manage that. These pop off quite easy once I get a bit of hot air on them. So, but first I'm going to clean up this area, and we'll be back shortly. I'll just set the camera over here for now, and I'll zoom out a little bit. Oh. Okay. Right. Okay. So it's just a case of getting some isopropanol on the cotton bud. And gently working around the areas with the solder on it, and just giving it a general clean. Really, that's all I do anyway. Now, all this other solder is going to have to come off as well, because that's just going to get, once solder has a shelf life, I believe. It goes sort of hard over time, and it does not respond well to heating and such like. So it needs to come away. So the next thing is the solder work again, and I think it's underneath the circuit board, is it? I don't know where I've done. What I've done with it. Where is it gone? That's over here. Right. So